Hafa Malifi! Thanks for coming, everyone. This is the birth of the new version of Raiders of the Lost Ark. We shall screen it here and then destroy all the old prints in celebration. Hooray! Begin the film.
You guys, close your eyes. Don't look at it. What? Don't watch the movie, you guys. It'll be terrible. Close your eyes.
It's beautiful! Wait a minute. This version is awful!
Yeah, they ruined it.
Oh my god, it's terrible! Ah! Ah!
You guys okay? Yeah, I think so. Man, that new version must have sucked balls.